salad is very quick and easy to prepare and it tastes delicious. Welcome back to Bauna's Kitchen and Living. In today's episode, I'm going to prepare yummy simple salad recipe. And I am making roasted corn salad. Here I am removing corn kernels from the corn ears. If your corn kernels are flying all over, you can use bowl to remove the kernels. So that way they just fall into the bowl. But it's totally up to you however you want to remove the kernels. And also you can roast whole corn if desired. Corn can be roasted however you want, into the oven, onto the stove top, onto the grill, however you like. I'm just going to roast them into the pan. Less mess, and then it's summertime. I don't want to put my house on fire right now, so I'm going to show you the easiest way to get the texture of a roasted corn into the pan. Heat up the cast iron pan on low to medium heat. I'm using the light cast iron pan, so I'm going to heat it up on a low to medium. Add about a tablespoon of butter and add corn kernels. Give it a good stir and now roast until you see some spots, like a brown or black spots. In the beginning I'm cooking on a low because I want to cook the corn. Since I'm using like the fresh ones, it needs to be cooked. But if you are using frozen corn, you can just cook on a medium heat to get the marks faster. Cover and let it cook. While the corn roast, I'm going to chop some vegetables here. Onion I'm going to use, and I'm also going to use some cherry tomatoes and avocado. Chop onion fine. I'm going to cut lemon and keep aside. Here I have cherry tomatoes. You can chop however you like. I'm just going to slice them up. Olives can be added as well if you are a fan of olives. So basically you can add any of your favorite ingredients. Avocado I will cut last. Once the corn is cooked and it releases the aroma of sweetness, you will feel the sweetness aroma. At that point you can increase the temperature on a medium to high because now we want those marks, grill marks. And now cook open, no need to cover. Corn will start popping, so be careful. And as you can see, it is getting now brown mark quickly. I want a little bit darker. So it's totally up to you. Corn is basically done, but depending on the desired results you want, you can continue getting the darker brown spots. Corn is almost done. As you can see, it is getting darker now and popping really nice. Now I don't want popcorn, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and season with salt. You can add as per your taste. Black pepper to taste, chili powder. Give it a quick stir. Turn off the stove now. And as you can see, our corn is ready. I simply love the color and everything. As you can see, looks like done on grill. But in reality, we just achieved the result by roasting corn kernels into the pan. Squeeze lime juice. Next, add onion, cilantro, basil, and mix everything really well. Take out into the serving bowl and top it up with your favorite ingredients, like as I mentioned, tomato, avocado, feta cheese. Here I have feta cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle some tomatoes and lime wedge. Now I'm going to cut avocado. Hope avocado is good and that there's no surprise inside. Awesome! Colorful bell peppers like red, yellow, green can be added as well for the crunch. And I am so ready to dig into my favorite salad. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video making of yummy roasted corn salad with me. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.